In this learning unit, we will be learning about the timesheet module of Kasturi. We will look at this module both as an admin and an employee. To access this module, click on Timesheet from the dashboard. When logged in as an employee, you will see the options to export the data, to add a new timesheet, and a history of your previously submitted timesheet along with their details such as a project name, date for when the timesheet was submitted, the time, the type of shift, a short description, and status whether your timesheet is pending, approved, or has been rejected, an option to edit the timesheet in case of any changes to be done, or an option to delete. Let's look at how you can add a new timesheet. Click on Add Timesheet. Enter the required details such as the date for when you want to submit the timesheet, the type of day if it is a weekday, week off, or holiday. Please note that this type of day is useful when applying for a comp off. Enter the shift type if it is a standard shift, a morning, afternoon, evening, or night shift, the project code for which you are submitting this timesheet, the time when you logged in for this project, and a short description about your work done for this timesheet. Once all the required details have been entered correctly, click on Add. This will submit your timesheet and you will be able to see the timesheet in your main timesheet login page. Please note that employees only have an option to delete the timesheet within 24 hours. If more than 24 hours, it can then be deleted only by the manager or an admin. Now let's see how to add a comp off. Again, click on Add Timesheet. Select the date for which you want to enter this timesheet. Select the type of day. When you select the day as week off, you will see that a comp off check button appears. Click on the comp off checkbox. And now you can add the project details for which you want to enter the comp off, the time for this project, and a short description. Click on Add to submit your timesheet. And now you can see your timesheet added over here. Please note that comp off can only be applied for a full day. You cannot apply for a half day comp off. Now let's look at this module as an admin. When logged in as an admin, you will be able to see the list of timesheets submitted to you by your team for approval. You can see details such as the employee name, the type of day for which the timesheet was applied, the project name, date, hours, the type of shift, a short description, the status if the timesheet was pending, approved, or rejected, the comp off status if comp off was applied, and an option to delete the timesheet in case of any discrepancies. You can select the checkbox to approve or reject any timesheet. If everything looks okay, click on Approve or Reject if you notice any discrepancies. When you click on Reject, you will see a pop-up box whether you want to reject the timesheet or not. Please note that this is mandatory for you to reject a timesheet. Thank you.